Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. TravClan is hiring for Operations Associate job role. Job location is New Delhi, India. Now let us discuss about the job. We are a well-funded B2B travel tech startup. We have raised $5 million pre-Series A investment round despite the global pandemic and are looking to grow our product and tech team. We are growing rapidly. We have crossed our pre-COVID numbers. We want to become the world's biggest B2B travel company by enabling over 1 million travel agents, travel entrepreneurs and influencers to grow their business and achieving annualized GMV of $10 billion by 2026. What is an offer? Best combination of salary 5 to 9 LPA, work with a young and passionate team to excel and make an impact. Work closely with the founders. Fast career growth with a fast appraisal and fast salary increase. Super passionate team with deep conviction which has stayed together during COVID. Very high ownership role in the fast-paced environment. Great culture. No hierarchy politics nonsense guaranteed. Here is about the company. The founding team has aced their respective leadership roles at successful internet startup in India, which are as follows. Ashish, co-founder, leads technology, ex-CTO, Cars24, CTO, Fab Furnish, Gaadi. Arun, co-founder, leads product, ex-Cars24, Travel Triangle, Trip Factory, I am Bangalore. Chirag, co-founder, leads business, ex-OYO, Travel Triangle, I am Ahmedabad, IIT Roorkee. Now let us check the roles and responsibilities of this job role. Handling all bookings and business operations related work, closely working with suppliers in ensuring timely revert on queries and smooth post-booking operations such as booking confirmations, sharing vouchers, etc. Ensuring timely payments to suppliers and delivers to customers, effectively managing feedback and escalations from customers and vendors, ensuring customer delight, regular and timely completion of agent KYC. Now, desired candidate profile. Ethical, hardworking and passionate about startups mindset, excellent structured problem solving ability, good understanding of different business verticals, disciplined and process oriented, presence of mind, willingness to learn more. Here are some additional details. Office location, Connaught Place, Delhi. Timings 9:30 AM to till work gets over. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on apply button. After clicking on apply, this page will open. You can read more about this job role here. After that, you have to click on this apply now button and here is the application form. You have to fill this application and submit the application. There are some basic details. First name, last name, email, mobile, 10th percentage, 12th percentage, graduation percentage, current salary. Are you willing to work from office? Because this is a work from office job. Resume. And then you have to submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best. And if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.